Hi folks, in this short video I'm going to show you how to set up the kitchen and electrical system in the Explorer forward fold. What we'll do is start with the kitchen. To set up the kitchen, you'll need to find the support leg that'll be packed in the front of your camper. To open up the kitchen, open up the hatch panel here. Now you'll see two handles. The handle you withdraw the kitchen with is the bottom one that's fixed to the chassis of the kitchen. Up in the top right hand side here is a release knob to unlock the kitchen to let it come out. Pull that, slide the kitchen out, and you'll find just under the middle here is a slot for the support leg to go into. Drop the leg down, lift the kitchen a little, and lock it in. Now we can connect up the gas and the water. To connect the water, remove the dust cap off the connect fitting and simply pop the hose in, it'll click into place. To connect up your igniter, grab the lead, open up the cover and plug it straight in. That's your electrical and your water connected. To connect the gas, remove the dust cap, then plug the bayonet in. Line it up, press it in and twist it to the right. Now that's locked in. Remember to do that before you turn the gas on. Packing up the kitchen is the exact reverse of setting it up. First, disconnect the gas. When disconnecting the gas, make sure you release any gas in the lines through the stove after you've turned the bottle off. Then release your bayonet, press it in, twist it to the left and then pull it out. Then replace your dust cap to keep the bayonet fitting clean. Then disconnect the power and water. Pull the collar back, take the water hose out, unplug your igniter cable. Now we can withdraw the hoses for the sink and the gas back through the hole in the bottom of the kitchen and stow them away. Next, we want to remove the support leg. Then we can slot our kitchen away. Pull the pin out and slide it back in. Check that it's locked into place. Push our handles down out of the way and close up our hatch door, stow our kitchen leg, and that's the kitchen packed. The electrical systems on the Explorer forward fold are quite simple. At the front on the drawbar, you have a 50 amp Anderson plug, which is for charging the batteries via the car or plugging in a regulated solar panel. So here we have our main charger, which is a projector 7-stage IntelliCharge. To charge your batteries from mains power, simply plug it in. A 10 amp power lead will do. Across the top and here we have our circuit breakers. Therefore the Anderson plug, the main power and the circuits. If you trip one of these, underneath there'll be a little black pin that comes out. You can push that back in and reset the breaker. At the top here we have our main selector switch, our main isolation switch for the 12 volt power. If you switch that off, that switches off all the power. However, it will still charge through the Anderson plug. At the top here we have our amps and voltage readout. The voltage readout on the left and the amps on the right. Remember, the amps will only tell you that the amps that the system is using at any time. It won't tell you what amps are going back into the battery under charge. With the voltage readout, you can use the readout number there with the corresponding chart here, and it'll tell you how much battery capacity you have left and when it becomes critical to charge them. And just here we have a panel with all the switches for each circuit. On the left here we have the cigarette lighter 12 volt outlet switch. Beside it we have a spare switch if you want to run another system through the camper. Here we have the fridge switch. This runs the fridge slide at the front, so if at any time you are running a fridge you need to have this switch on as well as the main 12 volt switch. And the last one's the water pump. Above these are push reset circuit breakers. So if one of those circuits goes down, this is your first point to go looking to reset it. Pretty simple, folks. So once you're set up, this is your next port of call to kick off your electrics. There you go folks, that's how you set up and pack down the kitchen and electrical on your Explorer forward fold. For more information and to download owner manuals, head to marketdirectcampers.com.au, and for more videos, head to our YouTube channel.